Dear friend, I am a Professor Praveen Goswami, Department of Zoology from Poddar International College. Today we will discuss about Phylum Porifera. General characters of Porifera. First one, Elias 1765 established the animal nature of sponges. Porifera word given by Robert Grant. Porifera means porous and fera means beer. Porous body structure that is called as porifera. Study of sponges are called parazoology. Sponges have a cellular level of organization. It means body formed from cell. That is a multicellular grade organization. They have a no tissue. Next one, sponges are aquatic. It means they are mainly marine and few are freshwater. Sponges may be solitary or colonial. Sponges are asymmetrical and symmetrical, radial symmetry. Next one, body wall made up by the three specific cells. First one is the pinacoderm, second one is there is a inner coenoderm and middle mesenchyme. Mesenchyme are made up by the gelatinous non-cellular structure. Mesenchyme sponge consists of skeleton elements and free amebite cells. Cavity of the sponges called as spongocele paragastric cavity lined by flagellated coenocytes. Sponges have a large number of ostia and one exit, that is osculum. Sponges have a canal system. That is a unique feature of sponges. Canal system made up by large number of cells. Sponges canal have three types. Ascoids, there is a ascenoid, second one is syconoid, and third one is leucoids. Ragon also present but in a larval stage. Spicules, skeleton made up by the spicules and spongin fibers. Spongin fibers basically they are found in some major unique features have sponges. Spicules of sponges may be either calcareous or siliceous. Next, the skeleton sponges secreted by the scleroblast. Three types of the scleroblast. There is a calcoblast, silicoblast, and spongioblast. Digestion, intracellular mode, and next one is the reproduction, asexual or sexual type. All sponges are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means when the male gonads and female gonads are found in a single organism. Very important part, that is a regeneration capacity. Great regenerating power are found in sponges due to archaeocyte cells, that is a totipotent cells. Larva is a parenchyma and amphiblastula. They have a physiological division of labor. Gemmules are present. Next, classification of Porifera. Porifera classification means Porifera defined in three classes. First one is the Calcarea, second Hexacrita, and third one is Demospongia. Classification based on the skeletal spicules. Calcarea means first class, that is a Calcarea. Calcarea means calcareous spicules. Hexacyclidae means hexa, 6 spicules, 6 raised spicules are found. Next, demo means frame like sponges. Calcarea also further divide in two orders. Hexacyclida have two orders, and class Demospongia have three subclass: Monoexida, Tetraactinida, and Keratosa. First one is the class Calcarea. Calcarea have two order: Homocoela and Heterocoela. Next, general character of the Calcarea. I think you know that about Calcarea. Calcarea means calcareous spicules. They are divided in two orders. This one is the Homocoela and Heterocoela. These are the examples: Leucosolenia, Saifa, and Grantia. Next one, that is the Hexacyclida, class second. Hexacyclida have two order: Amphidiscophora and Hexasterophora. Next, these are the general characters. General characters of Hexachitinellida, class 2nd. Skeleton contains 6 rayed or triaxon siliceous spicules. Radial symmetry are there, that is also known as glass sponges. These are the two order, Hexasterophora and Amphidiscophora. Hexasterophora euplectella, that is a Venus flower of basket, a very good example. Next one is the Amphidiscophora. Amphidiscophora example is a Hyloneema, that is a glass sponge rope. These are the two diagram. Next, last one is the Demospongia. Demospongia class, that is the third class. 3 subclasses: Monaxionida, next one is the Tetrachitinellida, and third one is the Keratozoa. Monaxionida subclass have 4 orders: Poecilosclerorida, Heliochondria, and Hydromeridia, and last one is the Haplosclerina. Second one is the Tetrachitinellida subclass, have 3, that is a Myxosporangia and Corystoridia and Carnosa. Keratozoa only subclass. Third one is a general characters is a Demospongia. Demo means either absent or present skeleton. When the skeleton present, that is a spongin fiber made up. 3 subclasses: Tetrachitinellida, Monaxida, and Keratozoa. These are the examples. Hippospongia. Euspongia, just like a hippocampus, that's a Hippospongia, so that is a Hippospongia. And Euspongia, Chelina, and Spongia. These are the subclasses. So many examples. Very, very unique feature. There is a canal system. Water canal system have 4 type of the water canal system in a porifera. First one is the Escon type. Escon means very simple type of the canal system. Water ingressing of water, ostia, spongocele, osculum, and outside it means water through the spongocele. Next one is the Sycon, very little bit complicated. First one is the dermal pore, incurrent water through the incurrent canal, prosopile, radial canal, internal ostia, opopile, spongocele, osculum, and out. These are the flow charts. Next one is the third type, that is the leucon, that is the leuconoid canal system. First one is the increasing water, second one dermal ostia, incurrent canal, prosopile, flagellar chamber, internal ostia, incurrent canal, spongocele, osculum, and out. That is a very complicated canal system. Next one, last one, that is a Ragon canal system. In a Ragon canal course of water is exterior, dermal ostia, flagellate chamber, opopile, spongocele, and osculum. Another good characteristics, another special characteristics of spicules, on the basis of number of their axon and rays, 2 type of these spicules, megasclerus and microsclerus. Megasclerus have a 5 type, that is a mono, tetra, tri, poly, or spares, and micro have only 2 type, spires and esters. These are the different type of the spicules. Next one is the spongocele. Spongocele, that is a spongocele cellular element. Sponge cells, so many type of the sponge cells. First one is the pinacocytes. Pinacocytes formed ectoderm and endoderm. Porocyte, pore cells. Choanocytes, flagellate, endoderm cell. Amoebocyte, there are so many type of the cells. Choanocytes, archaeocytes, that is totopotent cells. Chromocytes, helpful for the coloration. Schizocytes, helpful for the storage cells. Trophocytes, digestive food. Phagocytes, collect food. Myocytes, contractile cells. Scleroblast, secreting skeleton. Gland cell, secrete saline. Germ cell, gamete formation. These are the structure. That is the references Thank you.